as I promised you on Thursday morning, a song that is requested by Linda Tanaka, I'll send the video of Three Little Birds. Basically, three chords are used in this song, C and F and G7. And I added the G and the C6, which is your favorite one. C6 is your favorite chord because you don't do anything. You don't just open chords. And the G you already know. So it's practically three chords. And beat is 4 beats. It said C on the top of the left hand side. After the G clef, it says C. C means same as 4/4, which is 4/4 note in a bar. Same thing. And this one is very slow. A quarter note is 66, but you play it on double. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, you play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just like that, eh? So it's the same thing, but how do you call the instead of 4/4, it's kind of 8/8. 8 beat, eighth beat, 8 of 8th beat in the bar. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Don't worry about the thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about the thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Light up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, it's by my doorstep, singing sweet song. Oh, melody pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about the thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Light up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, it's by my doorstep, singing sweet song. Oh, melody pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing Okay, this one is the very last. It's called like a classic chord. It's called out instead of intro outro. Outro is the repeat and fade out. And other than that is it's simple, very simple. Okay. Thank you.